Welcome to Claman on Call. The markets may be closed, but I am always on call for you. U.S. stocks rebounding, but not quite able to completely erase pretty dramatic session lows earlier today. The sell-off was sparked by China's tightening of lending rules, plus investor worries about a global slowdown. Dow Jones Industrials ending the day in the red for a second straight day. Do keep in mind the Dow has not fallen 2 days in a row in nearly 2 months. The Nasdaq and the Russell 2000. Okay, they were the shining stars here. Today's big winners, both ending the day solidly in the green. The small cap index saw its largest gain since October 28th. Breaking news. Carolina Panthers quarterback Cam Newton was injured in a car crash near the team's stadium. The Panthers said in a statement that came out late this afternoon that Newton has 2 fractures in his lower back. No word yet on how long he will be out of football. And while most people put off their taxes until the April due date, it could be costing you big money if you do that. Now is the time, says Bob Meehan, TurboTax Vice President, to explain why people stand to gain by starting to work on their taxes now in December. Head to foxbusiness.com/on-call. He gives you lists on what are the top mistakes people make on the returns and what not to forget when you're looking for write-offs. And misery loves community. That's the premise behind the new iPhone app called Oi. It allows you to vent and complain and fetch about all kinds of things from worrisome geopolitical headlines to your day-to-day frustrations while donating to some very worthy charities at the same time. The 2 co-founders of Oi joined me in a highly entertaining interview. Yeah, there may be an app bubble, but these guys sure make it fun. Be sure to check out all of today's interviews on foxbusiness.com/on-call. Be sure to tune in to Countdown to the Closing Bell every weekday, 3 p.m. Eastern, the most important hour of trade, the final hour of trade. It's a date. I'll see you then. Have a great night.